नमस्कार, मैं हूं श्रुति और आप देख रहे हैं द न्यूज़ गैरेज। आज हमारे साथ नागपुर की एक बहुत ही जानी मानी हस्ती नकुल अग्रवाल मौजूद है, जो हमारे साथ द न्यूज़ गैरेज के एक पोस्टर को लॉन्च करने वाले हैं। मैं आपको नकुल अग्रवाल जी के बारे में और थोड़ी बातें बताती हूँ। He is the founder of Renovatio Foundation, which has projects in education, environment, healthcare running in multiple cities, having touched lakhs of lives over the years. He's also the founder of Aham, which is a mobile application plus live sessions based interactive learning platform empowering children with self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and spiritual transcendence. He has studied chartered accountancy, but his spiritual awakening has set him on a mission to lead the next level of human evolution by bringing a consciousness revolution. Nakul Agrawal is recognized as the youngest mystic in the world. He is empowering everyone with tools to live a life of deeper peace, greater wisdom, higher contribution, thus creating a conscious, curious, and compassionate world. We are really grateful to have you, sir. Sir, having said that, I really want you to tell us more about Renovatio Foundation and the kind of work that you all have been doing so far.
So, Shruti, in Renovatio Foundation, our vision is to create a world wherein people are much more conscious, much more evolved, and thus they live a life of deep peace, deep evolution, and also great contribution. So, in Renovatio, since almost a decade, we've been working with underprivileged kids in municipal schools, slums, and shelter homes. We've also been running several awareness campaigns for people of all ages to address and solve several social issues. And in addition, we have been conducting a lot of programs, workshops, and events for youth and adults alike to help them get clarity as well as quality of life.
Good.
So that's in a nutshell of what we've been doing at Renovatio. But yeah, I mean, it's been a journey, a decade long. So there have been so many initiatives, so many projects, so many disaster relief campaigns and whatnot. And still the saga goes on. We have a mobile application now, online learning platform. So trying our best to help people live a better life.
That's really nice, sir. Like when we were going through your work, we found a lot of things that we were not aware of before. And not just to us, whatever you're doing for the community, for the society, especially for the children who are so small and helping them acknowledge the things around them, that's a really great deal. And it's a very big thing that you and your organization has been doing from such a long time. And we're really thankful to you about that. So right now I'll tell you about the event that we are organizing. So we are organizing a Christmas Carnival event, which is an exhibition that will be organizing on 24th, 25th and 26th of December. So it is an exhibition where we'll be inviting a lot of young entrepreneurs, a lot of local businessmen, a lot of vendors to put up their stalls to promote their businesses on a large scale.
Amazing.
Because we all know that throughout the pandemic, these people have also faced a lot of troubles, and a lot of them lost their customer base. A lot of them were having problem in reaching to a wider audience. By this, we really want to help them to promote their business at a bigger platform so that they're able to reach to a wider audience as well as promote their brand and establish themselves somehow where, in these past 2 years, all the problems that they've been facing, then somehow they are able to get away with it and somehow they're able to get relief of that. Also, we'll be inviting a lot of local artists and bands.
Wonderful.
To perform at the event, because even they are budding artists who need to flourish and they need a platform to explore themselves, to get to a wider audience. So by this, we'll be helping them to create their name, to establish themselves, to reach to an audience and to get the recognition that they deserve. So that's what we're trying to do, and we want your feedback on it, and we want to know how do you feel about it.
Well, I think, Shruti, it's really a wonderful initiative because talent is everywhere, but platforms to support talent, for them to nurture, for them to grow, are very rare. And I'm really happy to know that you have taken this initiative, because definitely the entrepreneurs need support more than ever. COVID has hit everybody bad, and not everyone has been able to recuperate yet. Also, these budding talented artists and musicians, they too definitely need platforms, because the more people they reach out to, the more they get a confidence that okay, we can do this. Plus, the more they also get the word of mouth publicity, right? And I'm glad that you have come up with this initiative. I'm sure it will give a great boost to the people of Nagpur with respect to their business, to their talent, to their art. And I'm sure a lot of people will join this event and make it a great success. So I congratulate you for it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. We're really thankful to you for coming here, for helping us with the poster launch, and we are really grateful for your support. आप आए यहाँ पे हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, and आप इतने short notice पे आप यहाँ पे आए, that is a very big thing for us, and we are really grateful so that we are launching our first poster with you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
My pleasure. Always there to help you in anything and everything good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.